In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to verify your Facebook ad domain on Shopify. Take note that this is a crucial action to ensure that your ads are accurately targeted to your potential customers. Start with the first step, where you will need to get the meta tag directly from Facebook. To do this, you need to pay a visit to your Facebook Business Manager. Once there, navigate your way to your business settings. The path to follow is Business Settings, then Brand Safety, and finally, Domains. Upon reaching this part, you need to click Add. Input your domain name into the provided space before clicking Add again. This is where you'll be introduced to the meta tag verification method. With it highlighted, you want to make sure you copy the entire provided meta tag. Do not forget to include the symbols less than and greater than. Secondly, let's shift our focus to the Shopify platform. Here, you would be tasked with the responsibility to add the meta tag to your Shopify theme. To get this done, you need to land on your Shopify Administrator dashboard. From your dashboard, you'll want to find your way to the online store and click on Themes. On spotting your current theme, click on the Actions button adjoining it and directly opt for Edit Code. From here, you will have to hunt down the theme.liquid file located on the left-hand sidebar right under the Layout section. Once you have the file open, your next mission is to paste the copied meta tag from Facebook into the head section of the file. The most common advice is to paste it near the end of the head section. However, do be aware of the head closing tag and paste before it. Wrap up this step by clicking on the Save button. Lastly, the third step involves going back to Facebook to verify. For this, return to the same Facebook Business Manager domain settings where you left off. Look for the Verify Domain button and click on it. At times, it might not work immediately due to the update requirements, so waiting a few minutes for Facebook to cache the change is suggested. As a helpful tip, the Facebook Sharing Debugger tool is always at your disposal. The tool enables you to force Facebook to scrape your site again, thereby detecting the newly added tag. Simply enter your store's URL to initiate the process. In wrapping up, verifying your Facebook ad domain on Shopify can be easily achieved by following the steps provided. This will ensure appropriate ad delivery, resulting in boosted sales and enhanced customer experience.